Welcome to Taurex. You finally reached your member area where you can view and manage your profile, wallets, trading accounts and more. Now let me show you around so you can start your journey quickly and smoothly. So at the top here you want to click on dashboard, and that's going to give you an overview first of all of your wallet balances in dollars, euros and pounds. You can also click on manage wallets as well. You can also fund your account by clicking this deposit option here, or you can click it on the top right hand side here as well. Now when you click that, you can see how you can top up your wallet. On the trading accounts overview, you're basically going to see all the details about the current accounts that you've got open. So you can see I've got MT5, MT4 social trading accounts, and here on the quick user guide you can basically see all the steps that you can follow to get your account ready for trading. Underneath we've got internal transfer section. So under this section you can actually make your internal transfers from your wallet to your trading account and vice versa. Upon depositing into your wallet, what you're going to need to do is transfer to your trading account to start trading. And whenever you need to make a withdrawal, you will need to transfer back from your trading account to your wallet. Now make sure your wallet and your trading account are in the same currency, because if not, you will need to transfer from wallet to wallet. Then transfer from or to your trading account. And then make sure you always click submit request. Okay, so let's have a look at my profile now. Here you can basically see all your registered information, your email, password, phone number, uploaded documents, and you can easily update it whenever needed as well by clicking save. So you can click through all of these options, you can change your password, and you always have the option there to click save whenever you want to make any changes. For example, from my mobile number here, and for your documents as well, you can change those, and you can see I'm already verified. You can also select your document type and just click away from that. And you can actually look at multi-factor authentication as well. So you can see that you've got the authentication option there, and you can enable or disable all by clicking, or just enable or disable the individual one by clicking login and withdrawal. Okay, down into payments. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Now you will specifically need to add one of these payment methods prior to your first withdrawal. And you can also submit a withdrawal from here. Process internal transfers, and you can see your transaction history as well. So here I'm having a look at the internal transfers. Make sure you always click submit request. Transaction history as well, so you can see, you can choose the date and you can click submit, or you can change filters. Okay, down onto trading accounts. Now here you can see all the details about your trading accounts, from your balance to your equity. You can also change or reset the password for each account, or even view the password by clicking on the little eye icon as well. So you can see you can lock that or unlock your password by resetting it, and you can show your password there. Really, really easy. Now down to support. This is where you can actually open a ticket to the support team and put all the details regarding your inquiry or the issue that you're facing. So you can select the category, you can put the subject in, and you can send the message. Okay, here's the trading platforms tab, where you can launch the web versions of either MT4 or MT5 directly from here and start trading. Or you can actually download your preferred platform to use. You can see you can download that on Android, Mac, or on Windows or on iOS. Under Trading Central, you're going to see economic insights, technical views, and featured ideas. Under Useful Tools, you can find helpful information about charts, market overview, economic calendar, stock market, and other useful tools that will help you with your trading confidence as well. You can see we've got a fantastic suite of tools there. Now looking at social trading, you will see the social trading area, which allows you to start your copy trading journey by opening a social trading account and choosing whether you want to be a provider or a follower. You can see there. You can also see the provider ratings as well. Now ending our tour, you can always reach out to support by clicking on this button on the bottom right. That's basically the live chat button on the lower corner of the page, or you can do it via our live chat messenger. Thank you very much for listening.